Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving forward to our 7th question of Babbar's 450 DSA sheet, which is write a program to cyclically rotate an array by 1. So let's move forward to our next question. Write a program to cyclically rotate an array by 1. So the question is on Geeks for Geeks platform. Okay, the question given here is, given an array, rotate the array by one position in clockwise direction. Okay, so let's see this example. Example given is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we rotate it in the clockwise direction, which means the last element will be going to the first index and all the elements will be moving one step ahead. Let's just see this here. I'll be explaining this here only. Okay, the array we are having is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we have to rotate it in a clockwise manner, which means the last element will be moving to first index. So every element will be moving one step ahead, last element, and each element moving one step ahead. Okay, so the idea is to store the last element in some variable and moving all the other elements one position ahead and then putting the last element, which is 5, on the first index. Okay, so people, let's just try to code for this. Okay, so for the very first thing what we need to do is to store the last element in some variable, like we will be storing the n-1th, which is the last element in x. So people, now we are taking a for loop for I in range. It is a reverse loop, -1. Okay, now what we'll be doing is putting all the elements one index further, which means this is here. What we are doing is we are assigning the value at I-1th index at index I, which means one index ahead. Okay, now what will happen? What it will do is, we have removed this one. All elements will be moving one step ahead. 4 will be moving to this last index, 3 will be moving to this 4th place, and 2 will be moving one index ahead, and similarly 1 will also be moving one index ahead. Okay, now after this the first index is empty. Then what we will be doing is assign the first value, the value of x, which was the last index value. Now simply return the array. Okay, now let's just try to compile and run. Yes, it's running as expected. Let's try to submit. Okay, so the program is running perfectly. So guys, one thing to note here is, what is the time complexity and space complexity of the program? Let's see. According to you, what should be the time complexity and space complexity? Please tell me in the comment section, people. So since we are using a for loop and it is running n times, so the time complexity will be of order n and the space complexity will be of order 1 only, because we are not using any extra space. Okay, we are using the same constant space. So that's all for today, guys. I'll be providing you the Babbar's Sheets link and my solution in the description below. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the solution for today. If you are liking my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.